Hello everyone. Our today's topic is derivation of a plus b whole cube, means the cube of sum of two terms. Before going towards the derivation, first we will talk about cube. Here you will see this is the figure of cube. You can see all the sides of the cube. Basically the cube is three-dimensional figure. It is 3D figure which has here the three sides, three dimensions, and one upper side, one lower side. This is just like the dice of the Ludo. You can also see this like all the sides of the cube and all the edges of the cube. Now we'll come toward the derivation of cube. You will see here if this cube is divided into A and B parts, mean each side of the cube is equal to A plus B. You have seen that this formula is formed A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. But how this formula is formed, that we will learn over here. First of all, we have to take one cube. You can see here that this cube is, each side of the cube is equal to S. So, for finding the volume of this, we will multiply each side 3 times. Mean S multiply S multiply S will be equal to S cube. For the square figures, mean for 2D figures, we find the area. But for 3D figures, we have to find volume. Then in the next one, you can see here, we have make the portion of this cube in which each side consists of A and B. Mean the each side is the combination of B and A. The B is the longer portion of the side and A is the smaller portion of the side. Like you can see this one here. This is the longer portion and this red one is the smaller portion. Same like this, other you will see like this. A is the smaller red one and B is the blue one, that is the longer portion of the side. Same like this, you will see this, that is the height of this cube in which there is the longer side and each side of this cuboid is equal to B. Now you will see here that each side is A plus B. So we can find the cube of this as A plus B whole cube. We can get this by multiplying A plus B into A plus B into A plus B. After this, we will pick out this red one cube, the smaller portion of this whole cube, in which each side is equal to A. So the volume of this small cube, the red one cube, will be equal to A cube by multiplying the sides A multiply A multiply A. Then we'll come to the second portion, that is the blue one, in which the length is B and the two base sides are equal to A. So by multiplying all these three, for getting the volume, we will get here A square B. In the next step, we will pick up one more blue part. While decomposing this cube, we have pick out here this one lower blue part and whose two base sides are equal to A and whose height is equal to B. So its volume will be equal to A square B. Same like this, we will pick up its next blue portion and we will find its volume. The next blue portion is this one that we are picked up from here and its two base sides are A and its length is equal to b. So the volume of this cuboid is equal to a square b. At the end, we will combine all these three blue portions, blue parts, and whose volume is equal to a square b, a square b, a square b. By adding all these, we will get 3a square b. Then we'll come towards the decomposition of the next part. That is, we have highlighted this as the green one, that this part we have taken from here, and its height is b, the two height, this one, and its width is equal to a. So its volume will be equal to ab square. Same like this, we will pick up its next green part that we have taken from here, and that is equal to ab square. Its volume is equal to ab square. Then next one that we have taken, and this one, its volume is equal to ab square, as this is the length, and the width is equal to a. So this is equal to ab square. We have taken out all these. Now we are going to add up all these green parts. That is this one, ab square, and ab square. By adding all these, the volume of this area is equal to 3ab square. Then we'll come towards the next one cube that is left behind. We have highlighted this as yellow one, and this is this one. We are going to find its volume, which is equal to b cube, because each of its side is equal to b, and by multiplying all these we can get here b cube. So the volume of this red part is equal to a cube. The volume of these green portions will be equal to 3ab square. The volume of this green one will be equal to 3ab square. This is the blue one, this is the green one, and the last one is here is the yellow one, and whose volume is equal to b cube. Now the thing which we have to derive, that is the formula. How we can get the formula of this? A plus b whole cube. We can get this by adding the volume of all these parts, this one, and this one. We have here all the volumes. We will put the add between them, and at the end we will get here the formula, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b cube. And at the end, in the same way, you can write over here that a plus b whole cube formula we have generated. We can also write this formula in a way, when from a cube, b cube you can write here. From these two middle terms, you can take the common 3ab, and what is left here, a plus b. Same like this, we can derive the formula of a minus b whole cube, and here the signs will be changed. Rest of formula will be same, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. And here you can also write this formula as a cube minus b cube here, and then from these two middle terms you can take minus 3ab as common, so inside is left a minus b. So this is the formula of a minus b whole cube, and this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. Thanks a lot.